social media jasemet Facebook long Karbi Content tu inu alang di menbang ke Ranbir Hanse alang di kopi koson pelone komata pherang ke pentong ka chepul ni alang di inut pen ka chepu pen ajok Karbi ang long ang kang ke do an media tamhan ki pu prui ke pa phopon prui Karbi ang long media tamhan ke ni pheri dorde tu alang di ki pu bangke ki chok che tektik alam si pusini di jong pon Porma pulute inut penjong se alang li chepo pulute alang li phanjong pen lada Karbi ang long kang ke do an media tamhan kipu pon et nangji alam masiave lapen haladak alang li kipu pulute jongsi kichipu alam bangke alang li ke inut ne pena kaprek ke Karbi ang long ke maduta ke thek awe pu alang se alang chipu do ahok na alang li thek da hailo mene Karbi Content mate Ranbir Hanse alang li thek ut hailo puwai phit sitame alang li penan par ke thek sitame Karbi ang long media ke klema dum dula hala tuma phan sitame nang li respect ke pia bang ke nang so sitame non bang ke nang li la bang so a visual ke bunai ke create pe na jok nang li kwan si ke thek ma kwan si ke me ma kwan si ke charli kwan a talent ke do ma nang li kwan ang deng si ke le ma la so visual pen si nang li klang Karbi ang long arada tumke nang li phancinita la penan parts tame nang li ke chipu bange nang li inut stame media long kami claim dun tanga bang pu chipu nang li ke claim dun nili ke theklong ateng blote nang li content long chitu ke pakla bangke ajir khabar polo bangke nili tum langdam blote nang li tame non ma chelang stame chok Sala bangso birta phan nili ki puji pu bangke ajir khabar bo birta ke langdam pulute borpung tarapung net ka ve jo habida jo ki record ma news ma pusli ma thada athe subscriber amasi 1.99 k ve subscriber amasi ave news content lang lo pulute ningkan isiang bo ve masi ave la pusam da do bangli bangko 1k news isibat a news ke paklang si 1k ke pleng lim puta theklong le nasi nangli bangphan la puson putot tera nangli methan ke thek aputha jongsi nangli phan langi puduna bang pu jok chidet pulute nangli hala phan contact pe nangli hala phan ke than ji phan le body no lalo pulute nangli phan da message stame non nangli bangke Karbi ang long a media tum phan ke challenge ason si doko asila pusona bangke nangli kiningje tame chok chide ta thek apusini li matha basi lapen do ulang nangli degree ko pipine ke paklang ta ho lapen ke Karbi ang long media tungke ningkan kep nilong nang chari duna halang ta ho lapusong nangli stame kiningje do stame nangli penan par media long ke claim bari matum do hala tum ta non media hin doctorate claim bo mat kichari bom tum da do nangli pen ansu se ke thega tum stame do sin nangli family nangi puji pu bange nangli atok do joy pen Karbi ang long arlo alam situation na kutha ani siba ke paklang do ma ave nili thelong le nangli content lo basi lama bange ningje pami nangji pu bangsi nili pu dam athe non langdam bulute nangli ke thek si ke cheparokal ni lan degree do hola vo ke koda ka son ke pati po bulute koda pir thedam ba thang plup po ati ki pati ke isi veji ipum veji ta son thaplo nangli non ke thek long ni ke lapen nangli phan bangke non Karbi ang long media tum stame lapen Karbi ang long arada tum stame nangli phan aning nangli dok de son sinili tum theklong basi nangli abang nili ki puji pu bangke ke dam tang lam lo stame komat pensi nangli ke chepo ma hala phan pu vet no Karbi ang long arlo ke do an journalist a media tum phan thang alam ave pin pen ni thom pliang bo nangli diya chohang vek nangji pusinili tum pen nangli phan jong polo nangli labangso Karbi Content mate Ranbir Hanse nang li jong se Karbi Anglong media tu aphan diya chohang contact thi pulote nilitum kapregang deng stame nang li puthak deng nang kopo.
Recently, we have seen one video that is going viral on social media. And in that social media viral video, we have seen some objectionable comment made by one particular individual called Ranbir Hanse. He has a podcast channel. I believe it's called Karbi Content. In that podcast, he made some objectionable comment on the media fraternity doing their service in Karbi Anglong. Through this press briefing, we just want to convey our, our grievances. Our grievances is relating with his comment that he had made in that particular video, where he said that he doesn't care about the reporters living in Karbi Anglong, those who are doing their duties or jobs in Karbi Anglong. He has no respect, he has no regard. He said like that. So this disrespectful attitude of that particular individual, I just want to remind him that many of us who are here are senior enough. We are into this profession for more than, some of us are more than 15 years, 20 years. So I just want to remind him that we are senior enough and we have experienced a lot in this few journey of ours. I just want to remind Mr. Hanse that before spelling out on the media fraternity based in Karbi Anglong, I just want to let him know, or want to remind him to please understand, or please read, or go through the history of journalism in Karbi Anglong in particular. We are still in a nascent stage. We are in an early stage. We are in a learning process. We are still a far way to go. We know our limitation. We know our limitation. We know where we have, we face a lot of obstacles while imparting our duties. We travel far and wide of this land to cover for a news. We travel a lot, we experience a lot. And you will never know about what we have gone through in all of these years. Our pain, our struggles that we have given for this profession, you will never know. That's why you have disrespected us, which we take it as an offense, because no matter what you claim to be about yourself, you may be a great person, you may be a highly qualified person, you may be very good in speaking, you may be a very good content creator. We respect that. We respect your professionalism, the way you are doing it right now. We respect that. We sometimes follow your content also on social media. We tend to believe that some of the contents you bring out is really very relevant, very pertinent. It's very educative for all of us. We enjoy watching that, but we never thought that you will reduce yourself to such a level that make us believe that you are actually what you are not. You are supposed to be the torch bearer. the way you speak, the way your qualifications is all about. You are supposed to lead us. You are supposed to speak on behalf of us. When we have limitations, when we have shortages, you are supposed to help us out, to speak on our behalf. Like our president has said, for a community like us, we have few learned people, those who run after knowledge or wisdom. We have shortage of that. And I find in you that ray of hope that you will provide something meaningful to the Karbi community as a whole and to the journalistic fraternity in particular. But what we have seen in your recent video is really, really disheartening. It's defamatory. It is unfit for a person who created a very knowledgeable content. And he speaks in such a language which berate all the journalist fraternity. Though we may be very illiterate, some of us are maybe class 8 pass or 9 pass or 10 pass or higher secondary pass. There may be many. But where do you see? You just go across Press Council of India, their rules or guidelines or whatever, or the government guidelines or whatever. If there is any qualifications required for to become a journalist, there is no such thing. There is no guideline that to become an engineer you have to become a BE or BTech, something like that. In a journalism field, in a journalistic field, we don't have such kind of degree requirement. Where do you see? This is what I want to ask you. Where do you see that to become a journalist you have to have a particular a degree, mass communication or journalism course? Where do you see all this? How can you comment such a thing which is not there? It's really, really laughable and ridiculous. And you talked about commerce. How can a commerce person be a journalist? Ranbir, this is what I would like to remind you, that have you followed the CNBC, the business news, all those people? Most of you will find that they are not from the media professions. They are either from MBA or some, they will be people graduated from some business school. But they are doing the business journalism and all. So please go through this, what I would like to suggest. And if you have any problem with us, then you can reach us. We have a digital forum here in Karbi, or there is press club here in Karbi. You can communicate with us. If you have found any limitations with us, you can discuss with us. But please, I would like to request you that don't berate the people, those who are working day and night, just for a piece of news. This is what I would like to request you. Don't berate. And this is what I would like to request you also, that don't brag. It doesn't fit you. You may be a very highly qualified person, but don't brag. This is very, very unprofessional and it's very attitudinal. This is what I would like to say. And the last thing that I would like to request you is that please made an unconditional apology. This is what I would like to request from you.